This tool is used to drag a selected part of an image to a new location in the image. Open any image and select the part to be moved using Mark U or Lasso tool. Select the Move tool from the Tools panel or press V. The pointer changes to Sign. While holding the left mouse button, drag the selected image to the point where you want to place it and release the mouse button. Notice the change as shown in the pictures given below. Okay, let me give you a tip. To copy a selected part of an image within the same image, press Alt key while dragging the selection. To copy a selected part of an image to another image, use the Edit then Copy and Edit then Paste options. Let's talk about Cropping tool. It is used to select a specified area that you want to focus on and removes the unwanted parts or everything outside the selected area of a picture. Open any image. Select the Crop tool from the Tools panel or press C. The pointer changes to the cropping symbol. While holding the left mouse button, drag it across the picture to make a rectangular selection. Release the mouse button when the selection is complete. The selected part of an image within your selection is known as the cropping area. The area outside the cropped area appears dark. This is called a shield. To finish the cropping process, double-click inside the selection or press the Enter key. You will find that the selected image is cropped. Photoshop CC provides a variety of crop options in the options bar. These are Perspective Crop tool, Slice tool and Slice Select tool. Let's know more. Cropping is the process of removing portions of a photo to create focus or strengthen the composition. The Slice tool is used to divide an image into multiple rectangular sections called slices. These slices can be easily moved, resized, aligned and optimized individually as separate files. After you create a slice, you can select it by using the Slice Select tool. Let's take a quick view. You can press the Escape key or click the Cancel button in the options bar to cancel the cropping of an image. Alright, let us discuss on some common painting tools in Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is basically an image editing and retouching software, but we can also create artworks by using different painting tools like Gradient, Paint Bucket, 3D Material Drop tools, etc. Gradient tool. The Gradient tool allows you to fill an area with a range of colors in a specified pattern. It creates a blend of two or more colors. Gradients of color can be filled with linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond gradient. Open an image. With the help of Magic Wand tool, select the area with tolerance setting of 90. Select the Gradient tool from the Tools panel. Click on the drop-down arrow of the Gradient Picker and select the desired gradient from the displayed options. You can also edit the gradient. To do so, right-click on the Gradient Picker from the options bar. The Gradient Editor dialog box will appear. Select the Chrome Gradient option and click on the OK button. Now, select the Linear Gradient from the options bar. Click and drag the mouse pointer in the selected area. Notice that the selected gradient gets applied on the selected area. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Paint Bucket tool. It is used to fill an image or a part of it with different colors based on the tolerance or a range of colors. Open an image. With the help of the Magic Wand tool, select the image area with tolerance setting of 90. Select the Paint Bucket tool from the Tools panel and set the tolerance to 100 to paint the whole selection. Click on the Set Foreground Color option. The Color Picker Foreground Color dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice, for example pink, and click on OK. Now click on the selected area of the image. The color of the selected area will change to pink. Let's know more. You can easily change the brush tip size of the Quick Selection tool by clicking on the Brush Picker drop-down menu in the options bar and type in a pixel size or drag the slider. You can also press the right bracket to increase and the left bracket to decrease the brush tip size.